If you are investing in CS2 skins right now, be very careful. Before buying more skins, be very careful. Some of the most popular investments are crashing right now in its price, and some people are getting burnt right now because they were thinking like this demand will never stop, the prices will go through the roof back to back, but that's not the case. The market always comes back to a certain point. It's a little bit slow right now, but it can get pace very fast. We all know CS2 very well. In this video, I will be showing you which investments are very risky, which ones are falling in its price, and which skins are holding strong and have a bright future in front of them. We'll definitely be covering good investments. Let's get right into our first investment on our list. The Glock Teal Graf is an affordable investment. I've been talking about this skin. Currently it's a little bit more worth, but the crazy thing about this skin is it has a lot of different patterns. Every single Glock looks unique and different. It could lead to collectors holding these skins long term, not using them in trade-up contracts, which would mean the price will just go even higher. Definitely buy it in the factory new version. The pattern is not that important because we're just looking for the trade-up skins. In about like 5 months from now on, we could see the next Armory item being removed. For example, if the rumors are true, then it's the case. Valve is only deleting those items that are unboxed the least. So this would bring me to the conclusion that the Train 20 and 25 collection is up next for getting removed from the Armory. Yes, it's gonna happen probably in 3 to 4 to 5 months, somewhere in that area, but it really does have very unique looking skins. We are talking about the MP9 Latte Rush. The M4A4 Hellish is also a very good looking skin. Definitely gonna have a very bright future if it gets discontinued. We know for a fact if this skin gets the announcement that it gets discontinued, then these skins will double in its price. It is a 100% guaranteed method how you can double your money in CS2 right now, because we've never had an Armory before. Everybody was saying that the items are not going to get removed. Now we have our proof. The graphic design skins, for example, this AUG is finally getting discontinued. It's getting removed. Also, I would really be looking into some stickers. Yes, I know they're very volatile, but only these stickers are volatile, that are getting pumped, that are getting like abused by the system. But this skin on the other hand is a discontinued skin. Not yet, but very soon. In a couple of weeks it will be removed from the active Armory, and all of these stickers will be discontinued at the end of the day. For some people, if you have no idea what discontinued means, I use this word to describe items that have been available in the CS2 shop but then got removed and you weren't able to buy them anymore, which meant that the demand just has risen over the time, but the supply didn't actually rise. It stayed the same, but the demand got higher because these skins looked very good or still look very nice. That's why these prices are rising. You always have to invest in items that are actually decent looking. Also, the most expensive sticker from these stickers that are getting discontinued is this googly eye. It's currently already up towards the $30 mark. It's very rare. This sticker is also pretty nice looking, but I would really not go for it. But I can still see it rising in its price, so watch out for it. He is a very cheap investment for those who don't have that much money but still want to have a potential long-term good investment. It's the USPS flashback from the Danger Zone case. We all know Danger Zone is not coming back to CS2 anytime soon. This case is discontinued basically. It has a certain amount of cases left in its system. I can see these cases going lower in supply. A lot of people are actually opening this case. It is a discontinued case. I think it has a lot of potential. It has definitely very good looking skins in it. Overall, you should not be sleeping on the Danger Zone case because it has a lot of nice skins. Currently, you can buy it on third-party websites for a very nice price. I've seen Danger Zone cases going around for $1.30, somewhere in that area. This is insane. I definitely suggest you going for it, especially since all the high tier skins, for example the AK-47 Asimov from this case, also exploded, just like the Neo Noir AWP. All these skins are from this same case. I definitely suggest you going for it. In the factory new version, this skin is also very expensive. Here is a secret investment for you guys. You should definitely go ahead and buy this capsule because it will explode in its price, but do not mix them up. We're only going for one capsule. It's the Contenders capsule from Austin 2025 Major. I definitely suggest you going for it. My thoughts behind this capsule is 25 cents. I think it's a good price for such a capsule. The holos are also very expensive in this capsule. The golds are less expensive than the holos, so you have a better chance at getting more money out of it. That's the second thing. The next thing is that in this capsule there are a lot of stickers. We can compare it to other capsules, for example. They have way less stickers. This just means that certain stickers from the contenders capsule could rise in its price even more because the supply is just really that limited. Because when you open a capsule, you have a way less chance at getting, for example, the Tyloo holo or the Lin Vision holo, guys. You know what I mean? You have a better chance at getting, for example, the bad looking skins, the Fluxo holo. I really do not enjoy it. It's not that expensive. It will be very bad. Chingyin's Warriors would also not be the best investment in my opinion. But the Legacy holo is also a very great looking sticker in my opinion. That's why I love this capsule. Golds are really just not for me, you know. I really do not enjoy them at all. I think they are even cheaper. That's why I don't really like them in the first place. Why would a gold be cheaper than a holo? Well, I know now, because the golds really do not look that good, but it's fine. Also, you could go for the Legends capsule, but I would really not suggest you going for it, because I mean the best holo from this whole capsule will be the Aurora holo. That's pretty much probably also the most expensive one from this collection. But I still think that you should definitely not go for this capsule, definitely go for the other one. If you haven't seen my other CS2 investment videos, then you should definitely go ahead and watch them after this video, because I've been covering very nice investments that you should invest in. If you don't want to miss out on this, then you should definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it a lot. Leave a thumbs up and let's get right to the next investment on our list. Right now I will be revealing the winners of the last giveaway. There are 2 winners, each of them will be getting such a Solitude. The first winner is Brickwill. Congratulations, you are the first winner. We also have one more winner to go. Let's send this guy the trade. This is our second winner of this giveaway. Enjoy your skin. As you can see, the other guy already accepted it. In the next video, we'll be giving away 2 of these XM Solitudes. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, comment something random down below, whatever you want. You can also comment Ruby sucks down below. Also, do not forget to go ahead and join my Discord community. The link will be down in the description. I would appreciate it a lot. And let's get right into the next investment on our list. The Scar Wild Berry from the graphic design collection, which will be discontinued very soon, is a great looking skin in my opinion. I can see these skins being very expensive down the line, especially once the Armory will be discontinued. A lot of people will be trying to trade up with these skins. This would mean that the low tier skins would have a very limited supply, unlike other skins. I know a lot of people were opening these skins from the Armory, but it's one of the least opened items from the whole Armory pass, which is actually insane. You have to think about that. I've looked at the graphs, I've looked at the statistics, it's true. That's why this whole collection will be very expensive down the line, and a lot of people were saying that the prices could drop a little bit, but I don't see it being the case, because by the end of this month the items will be already removed. And there's not really a lot of time for the market to go up or down. It will stay relatively consistent. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.